Hi everybody! In this video I'm going to throw 4 Krita mini tips at you. These tips are helpful in improving workflow and increasing productivity. First of all, if you look up here, you see the button Set Eraser Mode. Pressing this button keeps the properties of the current brush, but it sets it only to Erase mode. This is really useful because I can use a short key, E, to switch between drawing and erasing without constantly having to toggle between a brush and an eraser. For the next hint, I call your attention to these buttons here. When activating one of them, a duplicate mirror image of everything you draw is created. So this is only useful if you are drawing something symmetrical, but if you are, it saves a lot of time, because you only have to draw half of the image. And when you are drawing annoying line art and coloring in, it might save a lot of time. If you would like your canvas to be a little bigger, just press Tab to toggle Fullscreen Mode. This is only useful if you know a lot of keyboard shortcuts. Which brings us to the final mini tip. Here are a list of shortcuts you can use. No need to memorize them. Just use them. Keep this cheat sheet around to look up the shortcuts as you use them. Those shortcuts you use most will be remembered automatically. As a start, why not start using the brush resize tool, the color picker, the pen, the zoom. If you at any time forget a shortcut and you don't have my cheat sheet at hand, you can always look it up by clicking on Settings, Configure Krita, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then search using this text bar. You can also add your own keyboard shortcuts in the same way. Well, that's all for now. Hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.